Dude, you lost your mind. For real? I mean, you want us to buy calls when the chart looks like this? I mean, everything is crashing. Are you seriously? Like, dude, look at this. From almost 3,000 all the way down to 2,700. Look at this big, green-ass, fat freaking error. Dropping down in huge volume. Dude, you lost your mind. Leonardo, are you like, I know the TLRY, the Cron, and all these other stocks. I mean, I know the cannabis is free, but dude, seriously, I mean, no way. There's no way. I mean, look at this. Look at this as MACD just falling like a rock. The accumulation distribution falling like a rock. Are you serious? You're gonna buy calls? Well, if you're gonna buy calls, you might as well tell us why. What the hell? What, dude? I mean, this is insane. What are you smoking? Amazon is down another $62 at $1,690. Dow Jones another 540 points down. S&P, VIX. Look at the VIX. Damn. Look at this at 27. VIX has not been at 27 since last February. Okay, and yet today, what do? We say buy Amazon calls. I know you're thinking, look, this channel is supposed to be marketcrash.money. We're supposed to be making when things fall. Well, guys, I have some news. I have some revelations. Today, we were buying Amazon calls. That's all we were doing today. We were trying to nail the bottom in the market crash. I know it sounds ridiculous. We're trying to nail the bottom in the fall so we can profit from actually Amazon stock price rising. So if you'd like to know exactly what the hell we were thinking, then finish watching this video. Okay, Square calls at 0.3, current 70, target 79. Okay, just suggesting buy 5 more calls and Amazon 12 bucks. Okay, what's the deal? Okay, so here's the deal. S&P pierced for a 200-day moving average and managed to bounce, forming a bullish reversal type candle. And so when we saw that, we said, hey, this may not be a bad time to buy this. Amazon is down from 2,030 bucks all the way down to 1,700. Hey, that's not, I mean, I think some institutional investors are going to come in and buy this thing. BKNG or Priceline. Okay, we're suggesting buying calls on that. Buy. Amazon calls. Current 1711. Target 1780, which 1780 we're thinking Amazon is going to shoot much higher. As I'm recording this, today is actually October 11th. So tomorrow, October 12th, we're expecting Amazon calls. Actually expecting the Amazon price to go all the way to 1,780 plus. I know it's pretty crazy considering Amazon's been dropping like a rock. So here's what we're noticing. Double bottom in SPX or S&P 500 intraday. We're seeing that was the best place to buy. Actually, it didn't turn out the best place to buy. Actually, the best place to buy was just a few minutes under that. And we did send another alert to buy Amazon calls. Amazon calls. So at the point when you were looking at the chart and you were thinking, Jesus, this market just, I mean, it just keeps selling off. There's no bottom in this thing. I mean, why the hell was I listening to Leonardo buying calls? So the market is about to crash. Oh no. So typically, if you are a trader, the best recommendation out of this video that you can take with you is when everything looks like it's crashing, the best thing you can actually do is buy. And not buy puts, but buy calls. You want to be the contrarian. The contrarians are the guys that make money in this market. So when everything drops, you want to buy. When everything goes higher, you want to buy puts to profit and when markets fall. If you're not clear exactly when to do either, then definitely take a chart course that helps you discover the divergence to help you identify those things. So what did we do? Buy calls. Dude, you're crazy, man. The market is crashing. Why would you be buying calls? Because we think the market is about to go higher. So when Amazon was trading at 1704, we still had a target price of 1780 by tomorrow, October 11th. And you're going to be thinking like, dude, seriously, you're going to post this video saying that tomorrow Okay, Amazon is going to go to $1,780 or higher. Or you clearly seeing in this alert right here that it's going to be trading at 1850 or higher by next week, which would be next Friday, right? October 17th. Dude, what are you thinking? The market is crashing, and yet you're saying buy calls at 248. Look, man, at 248, I'll be honest with you. I mean, a 6-pack of Corona wouldn't do it by that point. I mean, at 2:48 p.m., and when I was saying buying BKNG calls, I mean, I had to get some a little stronger than that. I mean, would you be surprised if the market erased all losses and finished positive for the day? Market move forward in the making. Dude, I know what you're thinking, man. TL or Y. I mean, this guy, is probably in Canada right now. So, but this is what I was saying. Take a deep breath. Your wife told you to take the yoga classes for a reason. Everything will be okay, guys. Patience, okay? So patience pays off. Watch the volume increase. So, damn, you lost your mind. You want me to buy now when the market is crashing? So, at the time all these alerts went out to our subscribers, the market was actually hitting a low of 1685 as far as the Amazon price. And shortly after that, we were saying, buckle up. The flight is about to take you to the moon. And so, shortly after our message, Amazon price takes from 1685 all the way to the 1730s. Not a big deal. However, it does signify the fact that if you take a look actually at the volume going to the close, the institutional investors were buying a significant amount of shares, which caused us to think that Amazon price is going to go higher from here. You're going to say, yoga class for real? I mean, dude, I was losing my mind when the market was falling today to 2712. Look, guys, if you look at the messages, 2712, I mean, just look at this. Between 2 and 3 o'clock. So this was right here, a low of 2712. It was about 1450 at 2:50 in the afternoon. This is the messages that we were sending to our subscribers. 2:50, okay, 3 o'clock, take a deep breath. Your wife told you to take yoga classes for a reason at 3 o'clock. Wow, that was timely. Okay, 248, buy calls. BKNG calls at 249. Guys, do you understand what the hell the market was doing at 249 today on October 11th? It was doing this. The market was crashing. If you were looking at your screen, you were seeing nothing but red. And yet, we told you what? We told you to buy the hell out of Amazon calls. We told you to buy BKNG calls. We told you to buy Apple calls. We told you to buy when the market was crashing. So, yoga class, hey, if you were right here owning calls, you were thinking probably you needed something. Whether it was yoga class or something else, it's a whole nother story. But we did tell you the market was going to move higher. Now, you're going to think, Leonardo, why would you expose yourself like this? I mean, you don't know if the market is going to go higher tomorrow. I mean, everybody's saying the interest rates are going higher. Everybody's saying the market is going to crash. Do you really want to put yourself out there like this and tell everybody to be buying calls for tomorrow, October the 12th, saying that all of a sudden the markets are going to be bouncing higher? Guys, listen, here's the real deal. I've been doing this for 13 years. I look at the charts. I don't pay attention to whether the hell they talk about in the news. And here's what I said. Buckle up. Taking a flight to the moon. That was at 3:14, just before the markets took off higher. So, if you're not a subscriber, you can subscribe to our alerts. Here, that's not going to make you a better trader, however. What will make you a better trader is understanding what goes on behind these trades. Okay, and if tomorrow the market crashes, look, guys, you're watching this video. I mean, market crash 2018. Hey, a lot of you are skeptical already, but I'm going to tell you this. Okay, If the market crashes tomorrow, okay, I will send you my charts and divergence scores absolutely free. Okay, but if Amazon stock goes above $1,720 tomorrow, then don't waste any time. Click the links below and take advantage of what can actually make a huge difference in you becoming a better trader, not next year, not next month, not tomorrow, but today. You guys stay tuned. I'll post a follow-up video on this, whether I will completely flop if Amazon price drops like a lock tomorrow, or whether I will show you the way how you can make this year your best trading year ever. If you're interested in more information, simply click links below in the description under this video. I'll catch you guys tomorrow.